Saan ka pupunta? Oh, start na ng vlog. We're waiting to board the plane. May story time sa Overrocks. Dahil dito, lumabas pa ulit ako ng boarding gate. Kahit naka-board na kami. Nandito na kami sa loob ng boarding gate. Naiwan kasi sa trolley. Nakabili lang. Buti walang kumuha. Nakita ko may lumapit na hali, pero hindi naman niya kinuha. Sinilip lang niya yung laman ng paper bag. At buti, pinayagan ulit ako lumabas. Diba, Lolo? Niiwan ko tong bruhan na tong walang pakialam. Nakabuyang-yang lahat dito yung bag ko. Oh. Pasok na kami sa aeroplano. Sakay kami sa Vietnam Airlines.
Seriously, what are they watching?
Where's Lulu?
Hey!
Nakatakot tumawid dito! Lola pa! Saan? Naliligaw pa kami. Where? Dire-diretso yung ano. Nasaan ka ngayon?
We're in Hanoi, in Vietnam.
Quarter.
Yeah, we just ate.
We just eat fair. We show. Aga!
There.
Apaga! Isuot mo to.
Hi! Oh, Toodies. You are Toodies.
We're done. We have done our dinner in
Yeah.
Lanao. What are we going to do next?
I don't know.
We're going to buy snacks.
Nah, we're just walking. Mama's behind. Hello.
This is
Hola, soy Dora.
Yeah.
We're already leaving.
and we're not going to stay here again.
Yeah. This is our last thing because this is all. We're just staying here for 5 days. Here's the room. Very messy because you didn't see the room for the first time.
Let's go.
Let's
We're
go.
going to Sapa. The bus will pick us up
My hands
at
is
the
cold.
lobby around 6. Yeah.
Hey,
Wala
it's
na
so
nakalimutan.
cold. Where's the van? Where's the bus?
This is the lobby. Si mother.
Hello.
Tia. Si Lulu Bear.
Only Filipino people will watch this if we just send you.
Ito yung labas ng hotel namin. We're waiting for the shuttle. They catch us up. Ayan, hawa ko na pag gano'n. May banana. Ito pala ang kinuha natin. Say hi, mami. Ito. Mamaya sasakay kami dito. Diyan. Ito. Nasa lower cabin kami. Ayun yung upper cabin. Hello, mami. Say hi. Vlogging each other. Nasa sleeper bus kami. Dun sila mother. Sa kabilang side. Lahat kakatapat yung room namin. Dito yung dalawa. Gusto daw nila magkasama. Si Atiya, wala siyang bayad. Si Lulu may bayad na kaya may sarili siyang cabin. Eh si Atiya gusto niya sumama sa training niya. Hi! Si Tita Joby. Joby, hi!
Camera.
Nandito kami sa paalis na kami ng old quarter. Ito yung van. Sleeper bus sa lower cabin. Mayroong Type-C na charging port. Ano to? Itong mga to. Ayoko pa rin. Ayoko hawakan. May ilaw din dyan, Lulu. You can close the curtain if you want. Sige, dyan mo na. Half close lang para kita-kita. Kita ko kayo, half close.
We're going to Sapa. Nakasama ko pala si Sky.
kayo na Sky.
Ang kulit na.
Hello! We already ate the food.
Mag-iba tayo ng stick.
May mamaya na.
Pwede rin yung sa atin na stick.
Oo. Atiya.
Mami,
Yung
say
camera
hi.
namin, may monitor sa likod. Yung sa'yo. Where's the monitor?
My mom's just boasting.
Monitor.
My mom's just boasting, guys. Just don't care. I'm gonna give you a tour of the restaurant. Oh, wait, some stuff here, and there's some scary stairs. I think my grandma might slip. Yeah, this is where you have your birthday. I just wonder what's that room. It's his birthday. Oh yeah, there's also a buffet. We're staying in this hotel. Here's mommy, ma. It's a shell and is it kind of like it? Standing. I'm holding it. Oh my heavens! Nobody will like the video.
Ito yung daanan ng truck. Ito yung daanan ng truck.
Look at the mountains! Yeah, we're getting ready for our room. We're just trying to get the key card. I don't know what's going on. Hello. My Mima's here. I'm a vlogger now. Mommy, I think I will be a vlogger when I grow up though. We're in Vietnam. Yeah. Can you hear the music?
Picturean ko kayo. Sige, tapos picturean nyo ulit ko rin.
It was a train track. I told you so. It's a train track. It is taking video of it. The train is passing by. The train of eternity is passing by. Look at the train. The train. I can't see it on my screen.
We are staying here at Viet Trekking Sapa.
Oh, don't show it to me.
Huwag kayo magpapaniwala sa TikTok na trend. Hindi ko.
no TV in
Hindi ko bet yung hotel. Oh my God. Ang hirap pa pumunta dito. Hindi siya mismong katabi ng Sun Plaza. Paakyat pa siya. Tapos hindi maganda yung daan. Hindi sementado lahat. It's lubak-lubak. Maliit lang yung room. Dito kami sa kabilang room. Sila Mami and Jovi. Ito yung bed namin ni Lulu. This is our wardrobe. May kasamang bathrobe. And then another wardrobe. And then complimentary water lang. Tapos may pa-sleeper sila. Tapos toilet. Nagpupo na agad ng isang bata. Ang kaanin ko.
Tell them.
Nasa gitna yung shower. So, in between ng sink and the toilet
That's a
bowl.
design fail.
Yeah, design failed. Even my daughter know what. It's not nice the design. Pero, kita namin, may view kami ng kaprasong. Ewan kung makikita nyo. Yung dinadaanan ng tram. Ayan dyan. Dinadaanan ng tram. Yung papuntang Fansipan. Kalimutan ko ng tawag doon. Yan lang. May isang window na maliit na naboblock nito. Ang ganda, Lulu. Doon oh, maganda doon. Malamig. Ito yung view ng pool sa Viet Trekking Sapa Hotel. Tanghali na kami gumising, hindi namin naabutan yung Sea of Clouds. Dito rin yung view na ni.
Oh, it's so cold.
Sunduin mo nga si Atia. Dali, humawa ka sa gilid-gilid ate.
Sa swimming si Lulu. Dito sa Viet Trekking
So cold.
swimming pool.
It's so cold.
And that's the view. The infinity view of the mountain.
I'm so cold.
And the clouds. And Lulu Bear. And Atia. Nasa Katkat Village na kami. Ako po, naiiwan ng senior. Ang ganda. The rice terraces is over there. There's this falls over there. Ayun, Mami, oh. Doon ka magpipictorial. Giant slide. Ulit kami ni Lulu. Nakapag-giant slide na kami sa Tagaytay eh. Ngayon, dito sa Vietnam.
Pinapanood mo lang to dati.
Ngayon, nandito ka na. Ang dalas lumabas sa TikTok. Si Mamay, pinaglakad na namin sa baba kasi baka hindi kayanin ng heart niya. Hello, Atiya. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Me, I'm not ready.
Are you ready to slide? Hold this one. No hat? Oh my God. You ready? Wait. Okay. Ay, di ba? Yeah. Lolo! One more time daw eh. Gusto ko yung una. Cricket. Ngayon lang nakapunta sa jungle eh oh. Ito ang cat village. Going down. Marinig ko lang natin. Ito. Halika, picture tayo dito. Oh.
There's an alpha. Oh, how long is it? Kinda scared.
Pero buhay na dito Joby.
They're almost riding it. We're on number one.
Kasi I will drive.
Lucky number 7.
Makakadrive, Joby.
Oh, it's so scared. Like it.
The whole time, push all the time.
Push all the time.
Yeah.
Slow down how?
One speed only.
One speed only.
Yeah. Push down.
Push down.
How to stop? I don't know. No, Jay, Slow down, please.
Oh my God! Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Not facing us? It's not facing us. Ipahiharap mo sa atin.
It is now.
It's not facing us. Ipace mo sa atin.
It is. Oh my God, I'm so insane.
Oh my God.
Oh shoot, no!
Oh my God, Lulu. Nakatela lamunan ko tuloy.
I can't hold on.
Ang haba.
Oh no, mommy.
Kami tayo lang yata maingay, Lulu. Tayo na lang. Kami bye. Uy, pataas, Lulu. Mama Mark, ito ka.
Ito ako mag-board. No.
You scared? What's up?
Sada, ito.
Ah!
Mommy. This is so scary.
Raver, Lulu.
My hand is giving out.
No, it's okay, don't worry, nasa tayo.
My hand is giving out. It's dying.
No, it's okay, kasi emote, ano.
Almost there, my hand is so tired.
It's okay, almost there. Yay!
Ah.
Very good.
Going so fast. My hand is giving out.
Oh, wait, your seatbelt. Ate Mai, kamusta? Ay, Lulu. Meron pang may gusto na isa. Ayoko na. Babalikan na lang dito. Ay, Lulu.
My hand was giving out.
Ano, Tia? How is it?
Maganda yung video namin eh.
Si Lulu, di ko alam kung nakatapat na sa amin.
Vlogger.
Restaurant?
Saan nyo? We're in Sun Plaza at the back side.
Yeah.
Plaza. Looking for
a hot pot. I'm tired. Oh.
Dun sa kabilang side ng ano.
No!
Saan?
Sa kabilang side ng San Plaza. Sa may Starbucks.
It's just 3 minutes, right? It won't be that problem. Do you guys remember that Alpine coaster? That was insane. I almost dropped the camera.
So we're walking stairs dyan. Ito, slide. We're gonna slide. Oh, where's your vlog? Hoy, Atiya the vlogger. Nakikipag-competence siya mag-vlog. Where's your camera? Yeah! Pong! Where's Lulu?
I'm here.
Picturean ko kayo dyan. Ang ganda, oh. Ito, oh,
Yeah, I'm
ganda.
standing on the tree.
Dito, Lulu. So kami sa San Plaza. San Plaza. Souvenir shop. Ay, baba. Ang senior. Ang senior na layas. Kahit hirap na maglakad.
Kailangan natin bumaba.
Sabi ko sa'yo, walang pababa. Iikutin natin yata. Iikutin natin.
Labas na nga tayo.
Lulu, picturean ko muna. Picturean mo muna kami ni Lulu dito. Let's go. Maraming tao. Wow. Lalo doon. Dito, oh. Dahil nagpipictorial dito. Lulu Bear. Dahil nagpipictorial dyan. Ayun yung mga nakatayo mo yun. Ay, we are here in Sun World. Inabot ng lobat ang aking lobat. Memorable na yung ating Insta 360. Sayang. Anak ko na yung dalawa. Si Joby. Ganda dito. Ganda ng weather. Aircon weather.
Nghệ sĩ đã sẵn sàng và mạch chuyện về một phiên chợ rộn ràng cùng tinh tiết của mày và đàn chúa sắp sửa được theo
Ang lawak niya.
bằng vũ điệu.
Hindi kami nag-start sa monorail dahil ang mahal ng ticket. Nag-start na kami dito sa cable car. Papunta dun sa taas. Tapos dun na lang kami bibili ng funicular train na ticket. Daming mga picture. Daming photo spot dito. Saan yung cable car? Dito. Cable car station. May horse pa. Dito! Ay! Ay, cable car pala dito. Hindi na ako marunong mag-vlog, guys. May nagpe-perform. Ang daming photo spot. Uy, Joby, parang ang ganda dito. Upo ka dito. Ang daming photo spot. Ito na kami sa second stop. Kanina yung cultural, mga flower. Ngayon, mga cactus naman. Oh. Bang kumain doon?
Di ba ikaw gusto mo?
Oo. Ang taba ko kasi. May temple. There's a temple. Ano? Daile Ampatan. Going to the cable car. May biglang drop. May biglang drop from doon. From doon sa taas. So, biglang drop dito. Oh my God. Adia. Hello, are you okay? Are you okay? Ayokong tumingin. Walang Jack Adobe. Hello guys. Change plan. Hindi na kami makakaakyat sa peak. Hindi na kami makakaakyat. Bukod sa susukan na hilo na kami. Nakalampas lang kami sa cable car na napakataas. Wala ka rin makikita. Zero visibility. Visibility. Umuulan pa. It's raining tacos. So hanggang dito lang kami sa may cable car. Ang taas na rin sa cable car. Ano pa kami ni Joby? Anong tawag dun? Nagpapalipas ng hilo at suka. Pababa na kami. Hindi na kami nag-funicular pataas. Hindi namin kaya yung altitude. Nag-chest pain na me. Baka hindi kami makapasyal. Buti na lang hindi sumama si Mother Dear. Ayan yung view. Paba downhill. Si Joby, si Alia. Let's go! Pababa na kami. Maraming tao. Sa Moana Cafe kami. Si Mama ay maghanap ko sa haba ng pila kada photo spot. Hindi na. Walk! Sige na, Lulu. Walk ka na. Tapang ng anak ni Rudy. Oh. Di ko kaya dun.
Baka video kaya kayo.
Di ko kaya dyan. Lulu Bear, halika na. Lulu Bear, Diyos me. Lulu Bear, halika na. Diyos mio.
Ate, tingin.
Lulu.
Ayan. Dito kamay.
Ayun na. Oh, hold that.
Wait lang.
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Go! One more.
Dapat yata sa likod. Naman. Diyos ko po.
Yay! Brave! One more. Last one. Last one.
Tama na, Joby!
You have fun?
Tama na.
Tama na, enough.